Here we are for the 5th time at Piperwood and Fairport for Camp BronchoPower, sponsored by Rochester General Hospital. We're back in the original pole barn just before the first session starts. I'm all ready here for the fun to begin. There's a new building. Awesome. The tent's always there. The air conditioning building that we were in last year is being used. And for the 3rd of 5th years, in the 2nd week of August, thereabouts, it's raining and humid and hot. And we love August. Okay, about 15 minutes to start.